Well, my people, my day again, manners big up and respect to each and every one. Alright, my people, so this whole thing where it said that taxi operators strike within the country of Jamaica really and truly affected a lot of citizens within the country of Jamaica and my people. Yeah, you see me? And I'm talking about this thing where it said that taxi operators withdrew their service. See? And it's coming like a situation where good suffer for the bad, my people. Anyways, I'm going to present a video to you that I've recorded in Jamaica. Now, this video is going to show some things that happened during a confrontation between a man driving a motor vehicle that is said to be a taxi and other persons, viewers and subscribers. See? Now, passengers who was inside of that motor vehicle was demanded to get out of the motor vehicle. You can also hear harsh language in this video as well to viewers and subscribers. So, viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe and tell me what you think about a situation like this.
What the going on? They don't feel like a strike going on. So we have someone down here alone.
And the police time now, man, and we have to do it.
Yeah, so a taxi driver down here alone, they are circling. They're killing him and circling. We carry them park up on the side of the door. Yeah. We carry them park up on the side of the door.
Okay.
We don't want no man lower down here. No man. No man. Be a taxi man, you see. Every man you see as a taxi man. Every taxi you see as a taxi man. No one no car can't load down here. No car. Be a badness, be anybody. Boy, them down here load and now all out the wagon. Down here load. I did, you want to get tonight, but yeah, how do you feel like? Jaja. Walk on there, sir. What is this one? Man, I say no strike with it.
Nowhere can go. Nowhere.
With this one. With this.
No can work, brother. No can work,
Car empty, my boy. Car empty. Empty this. Empty this. No work, can't go on there, sir, daddy. No work. No work, sir. No work. What are you? Your butt. No work. We get you. People. Yeah, I'm tear you. No way, I don't want. No work. Lift up. Watch out. Yo! Oh, let me back friend ready! Strike! Strike! No one has to. Strike with the pan. Strike. No one has to. Go up. No one has to. car! No car! No car! Hungry, son.
Well, I hope that video gave you some form of understanding about certain things that happened when it comes down to this whole thing where it said that taxi operators went on strike, viewers and subscribers. And you know, this is not the first time something like this happened, where taxi operators withdraw them service. It happened in the past and it happened more than one time. You understand me? However, you know, I think it is more than obvious right now that taxi operators play a very important role when it comes down to children going to school and people going to work and so on. You see me? I say, yeah, transportation is very important when it comes down to the economy. You see? Now, my people, some taxi operators want to continue to do them work despite the fact that some taxi operators withdraw them service. See? And, you know, that kind of causes some form of disputes and or conflict on the road among taxi operators. So I say, I got the understanding that air had been let out of some tires and some motor vehicles that was being driven by some taxi operators, viewers and subscribers. You see it? And this thing have been going on for more than a day now, viewers and subscribers. See it? Where some taxi operators decided that they are going to withdraw them service and it affect the way how children go and come from school as well as how people go and come from work. You see me as some people? Yeah, and you know, some of these things that have been mentioned happen right in the presence of police, and viewers and subscribers, eh? Yes, some of these things, you see? Anyways, for you to get a better understanding, more understanding about the whole situation, I'm going to present another video to you that's going to show some things that happened on a day when taxi operators decided to withdraw them service, you see?
Bunch of life, man. Embrace, son. Can't pass this with that, brother.
Alright, so I think it is more than obvious that some taxi operators not really and truly agree with the strike, viewers and subscribers. See? This whole thing where they said that taxi operators withdrew them service. Because me see a video on social media that shows a man who is said to be a taxi operator. See? And in that video is like the man that say him love money, him no love man. And first of all, him now stand up with the bagger man and make the bagger nice. And them forgot parliament and start block the road and that they not no sense and other things as well, the person said in the video. So I say, me get information that objects have been thrown at least one JUTC bus, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, me see a video that shows a person inside of a public transportation motor vehicle holding the face. See it? Allegedly, it said that the person had been hit by an object, viewers and subscribers. I don't have any confirmed information about that person's health. If the person had been badly injured or what, I don't know. You see me I say, yeah, me see a video that shows the windscreen of a motor vehicle cracked. You understand? Oh, and to make it very clear, viewers and subscribers, there are a lot of taxi operators and some bus operators who are asking for more time to pay for outstanding traffic violation tickets. Basically, it's like they're asking for amnesty when it comes down to that whole situation. You see me, I say, people? So in some ways, bus operators are somewhat involved in this whole thing too. And just in case if some of you might be wondering what this whole thing is about, well, I got the understanding that the strike is about quite a number of things. You see me, I say, yeah, some of the taxi man then complain about the amount of tickets what police are give them and all different kind of things and how police treat them and so forth. And basically, a lot of taxi operators are asked for more time to pay off the amount of tickets or outstanding tickets that them have. You see me and some people, so all them things there. However, you have citizens within the country of Jamaica who are point out, say, some taxi operators, them use the road bad. You see me and say, because we see a video on social media that shows a taxi motor vehicle reversing on a part of the road within the country of Jamaica that the taxi shouldn't be reversing at that part of the road. Basically, it's a traffic violation then, see? And I think that video has been posted on social media to expose that situation, viewers and subscribers. So there's a whole heap of things being said about taxi operators within the country of Jamaica going on strike and all different kind of things. So me I say, some people must point out them things there, but you can let me know what you think still, my people. See? You can let me know what you think. I think yes, I left it now. So big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Viewers and subscribers, this whole thing is really and truly a big thing than I thought it would have been. You see me I say? Yeah, so, you know, big up and respect to each and everyone. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall skilla. Big up.